Hello friends, this audio video tutorial is on the topic of dividend policy which will be a part of fifth unit. Uh, Dividend is a part of profits of the company which is distributed among its shareholders on the basis of their shareholding pattern. It should be distributed according to decisions taken by the resolution passed in the shareholder meetings in AGM and uh, in the presence of board of directors. In other words, it is the amount of profit of a company made available for the distribution among its shareholders, because it is not mandatory that 100% profit will be which should be distributed to shareholder. That is a very technical decision and very thoughtful process. It may be defined as the return that the shareholder gets from the company out of its profit on their shareholding, right? So according to if you check the technical definition of dividend, so according to Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, dividend is a distribution to shareholders out of profits or reserve available for this purpose, right? So dividend should be declared only out of divisible profits in any particular year. If there is no profit, dividend shall not be distributed in that year, right? So that is the basic. So uh, basic concept behind the dividend. So dividend may be cash dividend, maybe stock dividend, maybe scrip dividend, maybe bond dividend. That will be depend on the nature of your holding, right? So what is the dividend policy? So if you dividend policy of a company means it is the policy concerning the amount of profit to be distributed as a dividend. The basic concept of dividend policy is that the company takes future actions regarding the payment of dividend with the help of a company law board. As I said earlier, that it is a very thoughtful process and technical decision which we have to do it very carefully. So according to Weston and Brigham, dividend policy determines the division of earnings between payments to shareholder and return earnings. So suppose you have on 10 rupees per share profit per shareholder, 10 rupees profit per shareholder. So you have to uh, you have to give 100% as a dividend. You have to give 80%, that means 8 rupees. You have to give, you want to give a 5 rupees, that is a 5 rupees you have to give as a dividend. 5 rupees you have to have return earning. That will be depend on the decision of a company.